Carne en su jugo is a delicious Mexican comfort food. As the name entails, small pieces of sirloin steak are cooked in their own juices along with a savory tomatillo broth, then mixed with beans and crispy bacon. It's nothing more than hearty and satisfying. Hello everyone and welcome to Cozymeal Studios, the channel that brings you the best recipes from quite literally all around the world. And today we're jumping to Central America because we're cooking a Mexican stew called carne en su jugo. Just the name itself sounds delicious. But before we start preparing our meal, be sure to support the channel by leaving a like, subscribing, and tapping the notification bell, and let's get cooking. To prepare our tomatillo puree, let's use a bowl of a food processor and add a 28-ounce can of tomatillos and blend until smooth. Then strain the puree with a fine mesh strainer to remove the seeds and return 1 cup back to the food processor and reserve the rest. Now add 4 garlic cloves and 1/2 cup of cilantro, including stems and leaves, to the food processor and blend until smooth. Let's then set it aside. We are now going to prepare our stew. So using a large Dutch oven over medium heat, let's brown 1/2 pounds of chopped bacon. Once the bacon is nicely caramelized, add the cubed sirloin steak to the pan and cook in the bacon grease until browned on all sides. Be sure to brown the meat well, as the fond from the meat will create a flavorful broth. Also, if sirloin is not available, try top round beef instead. Let's then add both the reserved tomatillo puree and the garlic cilantro sauce to the Dutch oven. Season with salt to taste and add a 14.5-ounce can of pinto beans that have been rinsed and drained. Stir everything until well combined and bring the mixture to a boil. Then reduce the heat and simmer until the beef is tender, which takes about 1 hour. On a serious note, during this process, the smell from the pan will fill up your home to the point that all you want to do is invite your friends over for a Mexican fiesta with mariachi music playing in the background. Not even joking, it happened to my third cousin. Hell of a party though. Ladle the carne en su jugo into bowls and serve with fresh lime, sour cream, diced onions, and cilantro as garnish. For additional extras, heat up some tortillas and serve with the carne en su jugo. Enjoy! If you'd like to view all the steps again, be sure to check the description box or head to our website at cozymeal.com/recipes for more flavorful meals to spice up your weeknight dinners. Before you click away, be sure to leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this recipe with your friends and family. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you cook along with us again in our next video recipe.